Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Model 3 glass roof cracking unexpectedly and the possible causes that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla Model 3 vehicles, owners have reported cracks appearing in the panoramic glass roof without a clear impact event. These cracks may start as small lines and spread across the glass over time. In many cases, the vehicle remains drivable, but the damage can affect weather sealing and structural integrity of the roof glass. This behavior does not affect all Model 3 vehicles and varies by model year, glass specification, installation conditions, and operating environment rather than indicating a universal defect. Verified information shows that one documented cause involves thermal stress on tempered or laminated automotive glass. The glass roof is exposed to significant temperature variation from sunlight, ambient weather changes, and cabin heating or cooling. Rapid temperature differences across the glass surface or edges can create stress that may lead to cracking, especially if stress concentrates at mounting points or edges. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior service history, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Installation and body tolerance factors are also documented. The glass roof is bonded to the vehicle body using adhesives and seals. If there is uneven support, slight body flex, or tolerance variation during installation, stress may build up in the glass over time. As a possible contributing factor, minor body twist during driving over uneven roads could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Impact-related causes have also been reviewed carefully. Small stone strikes or debris impacts may not always be immediately noticeable but can create micro-damage that later propagates into larger cracks. In some cases, cracks that appear spontaneous may originate from earlier minor impacts that were not clearly visible at the time. Environmental conditions further influence glass behavior. Driving in extreme heat or cold, sudden weather changes, or parking under direct sunlight followed by rapid cooling can increase stress on large glass panels such as the roof. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include professional inspection to determine crack origin, assessing whether the damage aligns with impact or stress patterns, and evaluating warranty coverage where applicable. Replacement of the glass roof is usually required once cracking occurs, as repair is not feasible for structural roof glass. Reviewed information indicates that unexpected glass roof cracking is not universal and often relates to thermal stress, installation tolerance, or impact factors rather than a widespread manufacturing flaw. In conclusion, Tesla Model 3 glass roof cracking unexpectedly is generally linked to thermal stress, body or installation tolerance, or subtle impact damage rather than routine vehicle operation. The issue varies by vehicle and environment, and resolution depends on accurate inspection and appropriate service action. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.